Namo Namaha Chhatraha, Padmashri is here. Till date, we have seen Tat Pullingi Sarvanam, Etat Pullingi Sarvanam and Kim Pullingi Sarvanam. Now today, we'll learn Tat Strilingi Sarvanam, Etat Strilingi Sarvanam, Tat Napusaklingi Sarvanam and Etat Napusaklingi Sarvanam. Now see, Tat Strilingi Sarvanam. सा ते ताः प्रथमा तां ते ताः द्वितीया तया ताभ्यां ताभिः तृतीया तस्यै ताभ्यां ताभ्यः चतुर्थी तस्याः ताभ्यां ताभ्यः पंचमी तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी. As it is pronounced, it has no sambodhan. Now see, sa means she, they means they both, taha means they all. But remember students, they all or they both means they include only feminine. All this table is related to feminine, means them, they, all are, both, all are in feminine. So, she, they both, they all. To her, to both of them, to all of them. Because meaning of Dvitiya is two. Meaning of Tritiya is by, due to, because of. So, by her, by both of them and by all of them. Meaning of Chaturthi is for. So, for her, for both of them and for all of them. Meaning of Panchami is from. So, from her, from both of them, from all of them. Meaning of Shashti is her. Meaning of Shashti is of. So, meaning of Tasyaha is her. Tayoho, from both of them. Tasam, from all of them. Meaning of Saptami is in, on, among. So, Tasyam, in, on, among her, in both of them, among all of them. Among all of them, oblique in among them, oblique on among them. Students, here we have finished Tat Pullingi Sarvanam. Now, you have to learn this. First write in your notebook, then learn. Sorry student, this is Tat Strilingi Sarvanam. By mistake I said Tat Pullingi Sarvanam. Now see, you have to copy this Tat Strilingi Sarvanam's table in your notebook and learn it. Then give its test. Now we'll see Etat Strilingi Sarvanam. Etat meaning this. It is Strilingi, feminine. It is used for feminine. In Marathi, meaning is he. And here, see, meaning of Tat in Marathi, ti. Now see, Etat Strilingi Sarvanam. Esha, ete, etaha prathama. Etam, See students, here I have not written. So, see, Esha, ete, etaha. Etam. And here te means tam, te, taha, dvitiya. Tam, te, taha are pratyay of Tat Strilingi Sarvanam. You have to just put a before it. So, it became etam, ete, etaha dvitiya. Taya tabhyam tabhihi tritiya. Etaya, etabhyam, etabhihi tritiya. Tasyai tabhyam tebhyah chaturthi. Means in Tat feminine, what we have written? Tasyai tabhyam tabhyah. Put a here. Etasyai, etabhyam, एताभ्यः चतुर्थी. In tat strilingi, tasyaha tabhyam tabhyah panchami. In etat, put a here. Etasyaha, etabhyam, etabhyah panchami. तस्याः तयोः तासां षष्ठी. एतस्याः एतयोः एतासां षष्ठी. And in tat feminine सप्तमी, तस्यां तयोः तासु सप्तमी. In एतत् एतस्यां एतयोः एतासु सप्तमी. Students, here we have finished etat strilingi sarvanam. You have to copy this in your notebook. Now students, we'll study tat napusaklingi sarvanam. Tat napusaklinga means neuter, meaning it. Now see, tatte tani prathama, tatte tani dvitiya. See, here ta is halanta. So spell it very nicely, pronounce it very nicely. तेन ताभ्याम तैहि तृतीया, तस्मै ताभ्याम तेभ्यः चतुर्थी, तस्मात् ताभ्याम तेभ्यः पंचमी, तस्य तयोः तासां षष्ठी. सॉरी, तस्य तयोः तेषां, तस्य तयोः तेषां षष्ठी, तस्मिन् तयोः तेषु सप्तमी. Remember student, tat pullingi sarvanam works like tat napusaklingi sarvanam works like tat pullingi sarvanam right from tritiya up to up to saptami. Only prathama and dvitiya of tat napusaklingi sarvanam is different than tat pullingi sarvanam. I'll repeat. Tat napusaklingi sarvanam works like tat pullingi sarvanam from tritiya ekvachan to saptami bahuvachan. Only prathama and dvitiya are different than tat pullingi sarvanam. And also this prathama and dvitiya are same. Now see. We'll see meaning. Tat, et, they both means both will be neuter, so they means two neuter things. And tani, they all. Tat to et, te to both of them, tani to all of them. Tena by et, by both of them, by all of them. It is just like above, and hence I have not written tasmai, but you have to write meaning in your notebook. Tasmai for it, tabhyam for both of them, and tebhya for all of them. Tasmat from it, tabhyam from both of them, tebhya from all of them. Shashti, tasya of it, tayoho of both of them, and tesham of them, of all of them. Tasmin, in oblique on, oblique among it. Tayoho, in oblique on, both of them. Teshu, in oblique on, oblique among them, all of them. Here we have completed tat napusaklingi sarvanam. Now students, you have to write this tat napusaklingi sarvanam in your notebook. Copy it and learn it. Etat napusaklingi sarvanam. Now, once you learn tat napusaklingi sarvanam, you'll definitely able to learn etat napusaklingi sarvanam, because you have to just put a before each form. Now see, In tat pullingi, in tat napusaklingi, tat te tani prathama. Here you have to just put a tat ete tani. Tat now dvitiya. Tat te tani dvitiya. In tat napusaklingi, tat te tani. In etat, put a before it. Etat ete etani. Here also etena एताभ्याम एतैः तृतीया एतस्मै एताभ्याम एतेभ्यः चतुर्थी एतस्मात् एताभ्याम एतेभ्यः पंचमी एतस्य एतयोः एतेषां षष्ठी एतस्मिन् एतयोः एतेषु सप्तमी. Now see students, once you learn tat napusaklingi, you'll definitely able to write etat napusaklingi sarvana. Only you have to remember the trick. Now copy this etat napusaklingi sarvanam in your notebook and learn it. किती वेळ